Hello everyone, welcome back to Charmaine's TV, and it is Tarot Tuesday. Let's see what the message is for today. I hope you're all having a great day. Oh, hit that like button. Leave me a comment below. Share me out. And hit that subscribe button. About a third of you keep watching, but you're not subscribed. Why not? What is the message for the people? What can we tell the people? Just one card, please. Okay. We will take two. And we have the Four of Swords and the Ace of Wands. So with that Four of Swords, you have reached your first milestone, and now you need to recharge your energy before the next phase begins. Take a break, clear your mind, and meditate. And with that Wands, you are highly motivated, energized, and filled with new ideas that inspire growth. A world of possibility is opening up. Follow your passion. Again, this may not resonate, and that is okay. I hope you all have a great Tuesday, and I will see you next Tuesday. Take care.